All right, team. So I don't have a ton of time to go over this with you all, so we're going to kind of be on our own for this. There's just a couple of, so I'm just going to walk you through what I'm going to do. And then we can reach out as a team and try to help each other out. But like I said, I don't have time to hop on another call. So let's make sure you're paying attention. So goal, when you go in a Cornerstone, you can either delete or modify goals. So I went through and I actually deleted the CSI goal. Then I'm going to go into the goal bank, and where our normal CSI goal was 50% of school students meet the 2-year growth at end of year, it actually was modified. So I'm just going to copy and paste this goal into where my CSI goal was on Cornerstone. So that's it. And then for some reason it deletes the last thing. So 50% of CSI reading students were at 1 year of growth on or on grade level at middle of year instead of end of year. Okay, so I'm going to change this date. Actually, no, I'm not going to change it. The only one you need to actually change the end date for is ADA. So modify ADA and put it in for that. Then you're going to select bonusable. Because you're a leader, we're not doing this for teachers. You guys are campus lead team, or you can put your goals in for this. I don't think it really matters at this point. I'll find out if it does. For high impact strategy, I would write something really short and sweet and then get it done. Let's just fill these out. Okay, the other thing is make sure that you are looking through this. There's some how-to guides and all of this stuff, but it's just a lot of information, so I kind of wish someone just made a video for me. But just a few quick notes when you're reading through these. So you can keep the beginning of year persistence goal and the distance learning persistence goal. Beginning of year goal, we did not hit, I don't believe. So we're probably going to delete that and stick with the distance learning goal. I'm going to double check with Marcus on that one, but we didn't have an AC, so I know we're not going to meet it for what would normally be the year. And then, yeah, just flip through here for anything else, and then just reach out with each other and let's answer some questions. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I got. Also, things like ADA, we are keeping because we're going to just steal the ADA goal from here, but we actually met ADA for the grace of God by this date. So when we're going to get on here, you're going to steal that ADA COVID goal, but we're just make sure you change the end date to 3/13 because that was the last day the kids were actually at school. I think that's it. And obviously getting an A campus is a no-go anymore. So again, we can look through here, find out what matches up with that one, and sub it out. So these are pretty much our modified adjusted goals because we stopped going to school. All right, have a great day.